Ever struggle to hear every detail in your music? Tired of muddy bass and harsh treble ruining your vibe? Does your current earphones distort at high volumes? Annoyed by uncomfortable fit during long listening sessions? Fed up with tangled cables and weak connectors? Worried about earphones failing after just a few months? Wish you could experience studio quality sound anywhere? Missing out on subtle details in your favorite tracks? Struggling with outside noise disrupting your listening? Feel like your earphones don't match your passion for music? Introducing the Sennheiser IE900 audiophile in-ear monitors. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Engineered for uncompromising audio perfection. True response transducers with X3R technology for balanced sound. German-made 7mm transducer delivers larger-than-life sound. Triple chamber absorber removes masking resonances. Hear refined, extended treble without distortion. Membrane foil minimizes resonances for crystal clarity. Music stays transparent at any listening volume. Customizable silicone and memory foam ear adapters. 3 sizes ensure a perfect, comfortable fit. Flexible ear hooks for secure all-day wear. High noise isolation blocks out distractions. Para-aramid reinforced cables for lasting durability. Gold-plated MMCX connectors survive over 500 cycles. Robust recessed design prevents accidental disconnects. Includes 3 connecting cables, 3.5mm, 2.5mm, 4.4mm. Switch easily between devices and setups. Comes with a premium carry case for protection. Cleaning tool keeps your monitors in top condition, backed by a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. Let's compare before and after using IE900. Before, missed details, muddled sound, constant discomfort. After, every note is clear, pure, and distortion-free. Before, earphones slip out, noise leaks in. After, secure fit, immersive isolation, total comfort. Before, cables fray, connectors fail, constant replacements. After, premium cables, robust connectors, long-lasting reliability. Before, frustration with missing treble and veiled vocals. After, extended refined treble, lifelike vocals, true fidelity. Before, struggle to enjoy music on the go. After, portable audiophile experience anywhere you listen. Before, limited by single cable options. After, versatile connectivity for every device. Before, worry about warranty and support. After, 2-year warranty, buy with confidence. Before, ear fatigue after long listening sessions. After, comfortable fit, hours of effortless enjoyment. Before, music sounds flat and uninspiring. After, dynamic, vibrant sound brings music alive. Before, constantly adjusting earphones for better seal. After, perfect seal, consistent high-quality sound. Before, difficult to clean and maintain. After, easy cleaning with included tool. Before, earphones break after a few months. After, German engineering ensures lasting quality. Before, missed subtle elements in complex tracks. After, hear every instrument, every nuance. Before, earphones don't keep up with your lifestyle. After, designed for audiophiles, professionals, and travelers. Before, annoyed by poor sound isolation in noisy places. After, focus on music, block out the world. Before, frustrated by unreliable connections. After, MMCX connectors stay secure, always. Before, earphones feel cheap and fragile. After, premium build feels solid and luxurious. Before, limited frequency response, missing bass or treble. After, full spectrum sound for critical listening. Upgrade your listening with Sennheiser IE900 today. Experience true audiophile sound anywhere you go. Don't settle for less. Choose perfection in every detail. Click now to elevate your music experience. Sennheiser IE900. Hear the difference, feel the music. Order now and enjoy a 2-year warranty. Rediscover your favorite tracks with unmatched clarity. Join audiophiles and professionals worldwide. Sennheiser IE900, where innovation meets passion. Make every moment sound extraordinary. Your perfect listening experience starts today.